I'll start going to the gym today! No, I'll go tomorrow. I don't really feel like it today. Tomorrow, for sure. If you're struggling with the same problem every single day, then this message is for you. The first thing you need to do is figure out what you're most addicted to. Your phone, video games, TV, or social media. Whatever it is, don't try to quit everything overnight. Start reducing it little by little. Your main focus should be becoming the best version of yourself. Watch more fitness, workout, and self-improvement videos on YouTube. Follow similar pages on Facebook. That way, whenever you open YouTube or Facebook, you'll see content that motivates you instead of content that keeps you distracted. Remember, this won't happen in a single day. Real change happens gradually, one step at a time. There's one more habit you should build. Every day, stand in front of a mirror and imagine the best version of yourself. Picture yourself fit, healthy, and good-looking. Think about how confident you'll feel, how much better you'll look, and how people will notice your confidence when you walk down the street. Don't change for other people. Change for yourself. The small choices you make every day will create the strong, confident, and successful person you'll become in the future.